Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak English Like Pro.
Hi, welcome. We are happy you are here.
I'm James. I'm your English teacher today.
And I'm Ellen. I'm here with you too.
This podcast is for beginners and lower intermediate English learners.
Yes, we speak slowly. We use easy daily English.
Today's episode is called Talking About Yourself.
Very useful. You can use this when you meet new people.
Before we start, please subscribe to the podcast.
And please like and share this episode with a friend.
It really helps us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now, talking about yourself can feel scary.
Yes, but it can be simple.
Important tip: you do not need to say everything at one time.
Right, you can say one or two things. That is okay.
For example, you can start with just your name.
Just your name is a great start.
Today we will practice simple questions and simple answers.
And we will give examples you can copy.
Let's begin. First, your name.
Here are easy questions.
Question: what's your name?
Answer: my name is Amina.
Or, I'm Amina.
Yes, short and natural.
Another question: what should I call you?
Answer: please call me Amina.
Let's repeat.
Repeat after James.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Amina.
My name is Amina.
I'm Amina.
I'm Amina. Nice, very good.
Next, country and city.
This is very common when meeting someone.
Question: where are you from?
Answer: I'm from Somalia.
Or, I'm from Brazil.
Or any country. Just say, I'm from.
Question: where do you live?
Answer: I live in London.
Or, I live in Nairobi.
Or I live in Istanbul.
Question: what city are you in?
Answer: I'm in London.
Let's practice with a full mini conversation.
Copy us.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Amina.
Nice to meet you, Amina. Where are you from?
I'm from UK.
Oh, nice. Where do you live now?
I live in London.
Great, that's all you need. Next, age.
Some people ask, some people do not.
If you want to answer, you can. If you don't want to, that's okay too. Question: how old are you?
Answer: I'm 20.
Or, I'm 32.
Simple.
You can also say, I'm 20 years old.
Yes, but I'm 20 is very common.
If you do not want to say your age, you can say,
Sorry, I don't want to say.
or, I'd rather not say.
That is polite.
Next, job or study.
This is a very normal question.
Question: what do you do?
Answer: I'm a student.
Or, I'm a teacher.
Or I'm a driver.
Or, I work in a shop. Another question: what do you do for work?
Answer: I work in an office.
Or, I work at a hotel.
Or I work from home.
If you study, you can say,
I'm studying English.
or, I'm studying computer science.
Or I'm studying nursing.
Let's do another mini conversation.
Hi, James. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm studying English.
Great. Short and clear. Now, family.
You can keep it simple.
Question: do you have a big family?
Answer: yes, I do.
Or, no, I don't.
Question: do you have brothers or sisters?
Answer: yes, I have one sister.
Or I have two brothers.
Or, no, I don't have brothers or sisters.
Question: are you married?
Answer: yes, I am.
Or no, I'm not.
You can also say, I'm single.
Or I have a partner.
Simple and clear.
Remember, you can share only what feels comfortable.
Next, pets.
Many people love this topic.
Question: do you have any pets?
Answer: Yes, I do.
Then you can add, I have a cat,
Or, I have a dog.
or I have 2 birds.
If you do not have pets, you can say,
No, I don't. I don't have any pets.
let's make it natural.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. I have a cat.
Nice. What's your cat's name?
Her name is Luna.
Great example. Now, hobbies.
Hobbies are fun and easy to talk about.
Question. What do you like to do in your free time?
Answer: I like to read.
Or, I like to cook.
Or, I like to watch movies.
Or, I like to play football.
Another easy question: what are your hobbies?
Answer. My hobbies are reading and cooking.
Or, my hobbies are music and walking.
Tip for learners. Keep it short. 1 or 2 hobbies is enough.
Yes, you do not need to list 10 hobbies.
Let's do short practice.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Nice, me too.
What about you?
I like to cook.
Next, likes and dislikes.
This is great for small talk.
Question. What do you like?
Answer: I like coffee.
Or, I like tea.
Or, I like spicy food.
Question. What kind of music do you like?
Answer: I like pop music.
Or, I like hip-hop.
Or, I like calm music.
Now, dislikes. We can say, I don't like,
For example, I don't like loud music.
or I don't like waking up early.
Many people don't.
You can also say, I'm not a big fan of.
Example: I'm not a big fan of football.
That is still simple and polite. Now let's put it together.
But remember, you do not need to say everything.
Here is a short self-introduction.
Listen and copy.
Hi, I'm Adam. I'm from Egypt. I live in Manchester. I'm a student. I like football and music.
Great. That is short. It is clear.
Here is another one.
A little different. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Spain. I live in London. I work in a hotel. I have a dog. I like cooking.
Nice. Simple sentences. Easy English.
Now, a very important note.
Yes, you can choose what to share.
Maybe you say your name and country only.
Or your name and job only.
That is still good English.
That is still a real conversation. Now we will do a longer conversation.
This helps you hear natural questions and answers.
Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hi, nice to meet you too. I'm Ellen. What's your name?
I'm James. Where are you from, Ellen?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from the UK. Where do you live now?
I live in Toronto. And you?
I live in London.
Nice. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English. What about you?
I work in a library.
Oh, that's great. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
Nice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read and go for walks.
Me too. What food do you like?
I like pasta. I don't like very spicy food.
I understand. Thanks, Ellen. It was nice talking with you.
You too, James.
Learners, you can copy this conversation.
You can change the words. Use your own life.
Now let's talk about confidence.
Yes, confidence is important.
If you feel nervous, you can speak slowly.
And you can use short sentences.
Short sentences are strong.
Yes, short is good.
You can also use this phrase. Let me think.
Or one moment.
This gives you time.
And remember, making small mistakes is okay.
People usually understand you.
Keep going, keep practicing.
Let's do a quick summary.
Today we learned how to talk about yourself.
We practiced
Your name,
your country and city,
your age if you want,
your job or study,
your family,
your pets,
your hobbies,
and your likes and dislikes.
and we learned something important.
You do not need to say everything at one time.
Say a little, then say more later.
Now it's your turn.
Practice in the comments.
Write 4 to 6 short sentences about you.
Use these simple sentences. My name is, I'm from, I live in, I'm a student or a teacher or a driver, I like, I don't like,
Keep it simple.
and please read other people's comments too.
You can learn from them.
Thank you for listening to Speak English Like Pro.
Please subscribe, like, and share this episode.
See you next time.
Bye for now.